Hey, I'm Witchcrafty. I know a lot of you are Super Mario fans, and while I'll make a standing Goomba version in the future, here's a sitting Goomba Plushie pattern in the meantime. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The embroidery floss is optional, you can just use a black thread, but make sure to go over it a few times if you do. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and my Pinterest. It's the second link in the description. All of my patterns are scaled to an A4 piece of paper. The first thing you need to do is take each back headpiece and sew up the dart at the bottom. Once done, place each headpiece together, tracing facing up, and sew them together along the middle line. Take the front headpiece and sew up all the darts on this also. Then, place the front head and the back head pieces together, tracing facing up so the outer darts of the front head align with the back darts, and begin sewing them together. Start and end your sewing line at these darts and leave the in-between of this area open for the body. Take each body piece and sew up the dart in the centre. Place both body pieces together, tracing facing up, and sew them together along each sideline. Put 2 foot side pieces together, tracing up, and sew them together around the curved top and the back straight edge, leaving the curve in the corner open so it can be joined to the footholes. Repeat with the second foot. Align the foot bottoms to the straight edge of the feet side so the smaller curve points to the front, and join it on. Do the same with the second foot bottom. Then take the body and align the curve to the hole and sew it on around the hole so you can still open it in the middle. Repeat with the second hole of the body. Align the body to the hole that we left in the head and join it on so it opens in the centre and so the feet point to the sides. When joined, flip it upright using the remaining open gap on the body and stuff the head, feet and body. Use an invisible stitch to close off the remaining gap. Pin the feet where you want them to sit and use an invisible stitch to sew them in place. For the eyes, take the glint and sew them to the top of each black pupil. Then, sew the pupils onto the eye whites. Pin the completed eyes and the teeth onto the head and use a backstitch to join them on. Use the embroidery floss to sew in the angry part between the eyes. After that, use the embroidery floss again and use a backstitch to sew in the mouth line. If you need to, draw on a really light line that your thread will be able to cover for guidance. And lastly, sew on the brows with a few stitches over each eye. And that is how you make a sitting Goomba plushie. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!